just a figment of your imagination. So who's to say I'm living life right? It's all an optical illusion forced into your sight. So why you run from it and give in to your fright? I keep my head high and walk towards the light. As I open up Pandora's door, all I see is unshed thoughts placed all over the floor. Like how high does a kite really fly? And what produces all the constellations in the night sky? Or why is it that I get that feeling every time I write another rhyme? What allows me to enunciate these predicates, adverbs, pronouns, and adjectives? There's a misconception that hip-hop is meant to be aggressive. So tell me, why am I a pacifist? Hip-hop gave me that euphoric state of mind, like the dankest strain of cannabis. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. Got a bag full of cancers, mind full of questions, but no one to provide the answers. I'm just an alcoholic by genetics, living in a world of being two faces of fucking epidemic. Females use more Photoshop than makeup and claim they're photogenic. These cats say they hip-hop, but they sound synthetic. A prisoner of my bipolar disorder that is often misconstrued as being schizophrenic. His music is my outlet, I'm speaking out my pain. I don't mean to turn you sympathetic, it's just that hip-hop has turned into my anesthetic. Fashion, fame, and money, all that shit's irrelevant. I'd rather spit about shit within my fucking element, like living from paycheck to paycheck, always on the grind, trying to hustle up another dollar to provide for mine. See, money is equivalent to time, and I don't got a dime to waste. Trusting all you cats was my stupidest mistake. I used to have a pack of friends, now I got a pack of enemies. Just one of the many products of enviness and jealousy. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. Throughout all the bullshit I've learned to stick to myself. All these cats is gonna do is leave you when you're broke, but come around when they start seeing a bit of wealth. So even with the slightest of fakeness that is shown, I leave them behind. It's better to be alone than to fuck the company. That's just a thesis of mine. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. See, time is dead as long as it's being clocked up by them little wheels. And only when the clock stops and past scars begin to be revealed does the shit get real. Let the words that I'm speaking help your wounds begin to heal. Embrace all the live battles that you've never fought, and listen to me when I tell you to give in to your deepest thoughts. Cause these dreams is all we got. Cause these dreams is all we got. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind. As I lay down in bed, I close my eyes. All I see is lyrics running out throughout my mind, throughout my mind.
Your whack rap game is useless. There's so much talent in my blood, I don't even know what to do with it, but I'm just being cool with it. Take y'all to school with it, I flow so sick, got this gang out niggas the flu with it. If I cock it back, I'm shooting it. Copy that, saluting it, cause even if the mixtape whack, we out here moving it, right? I guess so. Your best flow ain't no threat, bro. Fuck a 4-5, I'd rather hit him with that petrol and gas on the nigga. Flash on the nigga, Desert Eagle kick back, quick flash on the nigga. Black, yeah. Cause I'm known to sit these niggas down, known to pick these bitches up and never help them get around. I was that nigga then, I am that nigga now. The only difference is I ain't splitting and flipping pounds. I'm stealing beats off of YouTube and trying to pitch the sound, hoping when I post it up that someone helps to get around. I got like 45 likes, do I hear 50 now? It seems like I could only pull 2 likes out of 50 crowds. That means somebody's lazy. You know the flow is cold, so please take the time to like the page before I overload. I do this music daily, for music I overdose, doing hip hop till I'm comatose. I do this music daily, for music I overdose, doing hip hop till I'm comatose. Hip hop, doing music till I'm comatose. Hip hop, doing music till I'm comatose.
Hip hop is biological, got chromosomes filled with MC genetics, born into a life of struggle. But thanks to the pen and paper, I remain copacetic. Fuck a bandwagon rider to a skilless and see I'm apathetic. Mainstream music is a vaccination of all sorts of education. They tell me hip hop is dead. If that's the case, it's about time for a resurrection. I don't fuck with these new cats from underground animation. Took a lot of be like disturbing the balance of Mother Nature. Hip hop is my life. All she asks for is a bit of dedication and some intellectual labor. Too many cats on that bullshit tip. I'm an anti-socialist, not a rapper. I'm a lyricist. Ruthless with the wordplay. Hip hop's my forte. Snatch up you gotta deal with the repercussion. What's the topic of discussion? Fuck it, it doesn't matter. Hit them with some punchlines, that's an instant concussion. This hip-hop shit's a lifestyle. Cats crate digging, B-boys head spinning, grab fans with gas masks, fat caps, dealers on the block with fat sacks, MCs on the mic killing tracks, spitting verses till our lungs collapse. Overwhelmed with this bullshit stress, like the bong, take a rib till it soothes my chest. Contemplating some sort of escape from destructive lifestyles restraints. So I ventured on to a musical conquest and spoke on my soul's content. Lives full of obstacles that I overcome and vanquish. Elite nations all like run winners or run from us. It's your choice, funeral or banquet. Funeral or banquet, huh? Third Eye, Rich Rumble. Shout out to my nigga Crime. Yo, there's a shitload more of the beat left, dog. Fucking freestyle.
Freestyle that shit, nigga. Take that shit, nigga.
Yeah, check it. The name is Third Eye, awake and never fuck with that fake shit. Keep game from the real, let them lame rickies know what's the deal.
Yeah, what's the deal? Get it off the top, I'm eating like what's the fucking meal? I never eat enough, speak enough, a leader of stuff. Niggas be